Hebrew, can, made easy, can left right arrow.
יכול.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey you. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun shortcut to Hebrew. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Buckle up for a fast, funny ride where you'll master the English Hebrew verb can. Today you'll say I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you, plural, can, and they can, with crystal clear Hebrew.
יכול.
And friends, your goal today. In the next minutes, you'll speak real Hebrew out loud and smile while doing it. Your goal: understand and use can, ability, in English and Hebrew. When you want to say can in Hebrew, think the key word.
יכול.
M, or
יכולה.
F, then add who can. Let's lock in the forms with a beat. Forms with fun beats. Clap lightly, repeat after me, and smile. Can, ability.
יכול.
M,
יכולה.
F. I can.
אני יכול.
Slash.
אני יכולה.
You can, SG. M.
אתה יכול.
He can.
הוא יכול.
She can.
היא יכולה.
It can.
זה יכול.
We can.
אנחנו יכולים.
You can, plural.
אתם יכולים.
They can.
הם יכולים.
Mini dialogue. The coffee machine caper. Listen, grin, and repeat the Hebrew out loud. A. I can fix this coffee machine. B. Prove it. A. I can.
אני יכול.
B. You can?
אתה יכול.
Then do it. A. He can hold the screwdriver.
הוא יכול.
C. She can read the tiny manual.
היא יכולה.
B. It can work if we try.
זה יכול.
A. We can do this.
אנחנו יכולים.
Coach, entering, team, you can win the latte.
אתם יכולים.
Crowd, they can.
הם יכולים.
The machine beeps and pours victory foam. Call and response drills. Echo me, short and punchy. You've got this. I can help. Say.
אני יכול.
Slash.
אני יכולה.
You can start now. Say.
אתה יכול.
He can swim fast. Say.
הוא יכול.
She can sing. Say.
היא יכולה.
It can wait. Say.
זה יכול.
We can finish today. Say.
אנחנו יכולים.
You can, plural, sit here. Say.
אתם יכולים.
They can do it. Say.
הם יכולים.
Culture tip. Can versus maybe. Tiny phrase, big difference. Ability can is.
יכול.
As in he can equals.
הוא יכול.
But maybe, it could be, is the fixed phrase.
יכול להיות.
If someone says,
יכול להיות.
they're not promising ability, just possibility. Speed quiz. Fast answers. Say the Hebrew before I reveal it. Q. I can. A.
אני יכול.
Slash.
אני יכולה.
Q. You can, singular, to a man. A.
אתה יכול.
Q. He can. A.
הוא יכול.
Q. She can. A.
היא יכולה.
Q. It can. A.
זה יכול.
Q. We can. A.
אנחנו יכולים.
Q. You can, plural. A.
אתם יכולים.
Q. They can. A.
הם יכולים.
Bonus. The core word can, M, in Hebrew is.
יכול.
Final challenge. Deep breath, chain them smoothly with rhythm. Say them in one go. Can, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can, plural, they can. Now in Hebrew.
יכול. אני יכול.
Slash.
אני יכולה. אתה יכול. הוא יכול. היא יכולה. זה יכול. אנחנו יכולים. אתם יכולים. הם יכולים.
Nailed it. Thanks and next steps. You showed up, you spoke up, well done. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing your Can superpower daily, and revisit this episode whenever you need a boost. For more lessons, cheat sheets, and mini quizzes, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time. Yes, you can.